I am going to be sharing with you my opinion about the Ouidad dry shampoo versus the Ouidad wet shampoo slash review. So first, I'm going to start with the dry shampoo. So I use this Ouidad dry shampoo. This is going to be my second time using it. And guys, I am not number one fan of dry shampoo. I did use dry shampoo in the past, but not this particular one. This is it. Most of the shampoo that I used in the past, most of it, they are cheap. And this Ouidad dry shampoo is a high-end shampoo. So I'm gonna open it and like give my hair some little nicer spray. Alright, let me give you my opinion on the shampoo. I know you've been waiting to hear it. Okay, as I was saying, I'm not number one fan of dry shampoo. But this particular dry shampoo, yes, I really do like it. Like it. Is that the right word to use? Love it. I really do love it. What I love about it, it doesn't dry out my 4C natural hair. That's the number one part about it. And it's easy to use. All in all, I really love it since my 4C hair does get along with this particular Ouidad dry shampoo. So let me give you a little spin again. This is it. And see my hair. Alright, it's time for us to talk about the Ouidad wet shampoo. So guys, I use a whole lot of DIY shampoo and cheap shampoo in the past. When I came across this Ouidad wet shampoo, my brain was like, what the hell? It's a good hell, not a bad hell. It was so good. I couldn't like get my mind off it. I wonder why a shampoo is so good. All right guys, so let's get real. So when I use this shampoo, what I like about this shampoo, the shampoo is kind of like really thick. Let me put a little bit in my hand so you can see it. I'm going to show you a clip. This is it. You see the thickness? It's really thick, and not just thick. It keeps your hair moisturized while you shampoo your hair. Yes, that's one an awesome part about it. Look, look, look. This is it. You see how it look like? It doesn't dry out your hair. That's the number one thing I've been looking for in shampoo for a long period of time, because I have a whole lot of bad experience shampooing my hair, so I end up making my own shampoo to use it on my natural hair so that my hair cannot dry out. That's one of the main reasons why I got into making a whole lot of DIYs. Ouidad wet shampoo, it's not going to dry out your hair. It also going to clean your scalp. They say cleanser on the shampoo. This is what you're going to see. It's a cleanser. Crunch. This is what it says. Coarse cruncher cleanser. That's why it said on it. It's going to cleanse your scalp. Yeah. One of the things I dislike about it is pretty much expensive. The Ouidad, the wet shampoo, let's see, I used it like twice already. This is going to be the third time me using it. I'm going to show you the clip side by side me using the Ouidad dry shampoo and the Ouidad wet shampoo. I used this shampoo about twice already, and the bottle is like, it's stopping somewhere around here. I just can't get my hands on it, but it's still a whole lot. So when you pay your money for it, you're still going to get that money you pay for it. That's what I'm trying to say. I really did like it. There's nothing I dislike about it with that liquid shampoo. Especially the one that say Curse Cruncher, something like that. Yes. I'm going to put a name in the description below for you so you can see it, guys. This particular video wasn't sponsored and I wasn't paid to review this product. I'm just giving you my honest opinion, especially if you are a brand new subscriber on this channel and you don't want to use DIY product. This shampoo will be perfect for your 4C dry natural hair or 4B or 3B natural hair. You're gonna enjoy it because guys, I know sometimes, especially now and then, things are very expensive. So if you do not want to buy it because it's expensive, just wait until it get on sale. When it get on sale, and you're gonna pay lesser money for it, and you're still gonna enjoy it. So if you do reach the far of this video, I want you to smash that subscribe button. Stay tuned for the next clip on me using this both of the shampoos side by side, so you can see how this particular shampoo work and how much I love it. I think I already gave you enough of my opinion already, but I'm still gonna do a little bit of voiceover talking about these two shampoos. So I am going to talk about the pros and cons about these two Ouidad shampoo. All right, let's start with the dry shampoo. Dry shampoo is wonderful for you to clean your hair and your scalp, but it's not something that you're going to replace your regular shampoo with. It's just for something like an emergency use. Anyway, let's get to the next one, which is the wet shampoo. As I said, this particular shampoo is a high-end shampoo. It's not because it's a high-end shampoo, so whenever you shampoo your hair, you should shampoo it every day. Shampoo your hair like you do in your regular routine. So I will see you in my next video.